This is a video of my 20-inch Lakewood 2nd Gen box fan, aka a Kmart fan. It's got 3 speeds with a Macmillan motor. Everything you see on the fan is 100% original, and it was made June 12th of 1960. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is low. Here is medium. And here's high. Off. And the story behind this fan here is my friend's grandparents. They bought this fan brand new, and fast forward a little bit, they moved away and didn't have time to sell all the stuff, and they found this along with a few other fans. And my friend hits me up, he's like, hey, do you want them? And I made an offer on them, and now it's in my possession. Well, there you have it. That has been a video of my 20-inch 2nd Gen Lakewood box fan, aka known as Kmart, and it was made June 12th of 1960. Peace.